बाबा ने एक प्रश्न पूछा.
Baba asked a question. I will also ask you this question. All of those of you who are sitting here, do you have faith in the intellect?
निश्चय बुद्धि माना ही है विजयी. अगर विजयी
To
नहीं
have
है,
faith
तो
in
कोई कारण
the intellect means to be victorious. So if you are not victorious, there will be some reason for that. There would be some reason, wouldn't
तो
there?
ये सोचो कि मैं निश्चय बुद्धि हूँ.
So think
तो
about
मेरी
it.
रिजल्ट ये होना चाहिए.
If I am one with faith in the intellect, then my result should be such. For example, if you study a lot, then you should pass in the exam. If you say, no, I studied very well, but then you failed, no one would believe that you studied very well. So if you have faith in the intellect, then victory is your birthright.
ये भी याद रखना.
So remember
क्या
this.
याद रखेंगे?
What will you remember? You will remember this, won't you?
इस भट्टी का स्लोगन है.
So the slogan of this bhatti is, we definitely have to transform. You're sure about this, isn't it? If when you get up from here and you have some conflict and you forget about it, you will be victorious over that, won't you? So write it on your forehead, a V for victory. So although time has gone by, I will tell you another story. You haven't got tired, have you? Okay. So what happened? When Brahma Baba was in the physical form, because I used to stay with him, and so Baba used to get a massage done in the afternoon, and then he would bathe. After he would have his lunch and rest, then he would get a massage and then take a shower. And at that time, there was a magazine called the Illustrated Weekly. And so he would just flick through that. He wouldn't read the whole thing. If there was something useful, then he would look at it, read it, but otherwise he would look at the images, the pictures there. And so one time, there was the picture of Churchill, who was the president. And so his picture, his photo was in the Illustrated Weekly. And so he had his fingers in the form of a V. And so there was his photo where he was standing and he was saying, victory is our birthright. And so Baba clapped his hands and whoever was nearby would come running to Baba and would say yes. And Baba said, look at this picture. Today he is president, tomorrow we don't know. But he says victory is our birthright. And Baba says, no, it should be your picture in that. Because victory is your birthright and victory is in your intellect. And Baba said this to all of us. And so Baba told us this, victory is yours. And so victory in your effort now is yours, isn't it? Is ours. Or is it Maya's victory? No, Maya is now just about gone. Now Maya doesn't have so much strength. So this is why, remember this. To have faith in the intellect means to be victorious. If you have faith in any task, but you're not victorious, then there will be something missing in your faith, because faith is also of 4 types. When you want to tighten something, you tighten it from all 4 sides. So check these 4 kinds of faith. One is faith in the self. I am that same one of every cycle. I am the one who claimed all rights. I will be in the future, and also after the next cycle, I will be victorious. So, faith in the self, and then faith in Baba. Third is faith in the drama. Whatever happens, put the full stop of the drama. And the fourth is faith in the Brahmin family. If there is less faith in the Brahmin family, we say, oh, I have faith in Baba, but the brothers and sisters, one is like that, one is like that. But this is your divine family. Of course, in a family there will be ups and downs. And so you'll still consider it a family. You wouldn't say, oh no, this is not a family. This is a divine family. Some say Baba is okay. But in the family, with the brothers and sisters, there's a lot of conflict. But you are the ones who rule in the golden age. Will you rule alone? You need subjects, you need servants, you need maids, you need everyone. This is a godly family. And so if someone is a little bit loose within that, but still, for example, in your physical family, if someone isn't able to earn very much, some earns a lot, but everyone contributes and the family moves ahead like this. And so those who know the love of the family will be able to make themselves move forward. And so some have anger and some fight with the family, some have doubt about the family. So you definitely need all four types of faith. So check this. There will be something missing in one of the types of faith. Maybe you become discouraged because there's not faith in the self. Am I going to become that? I don't think so. And so you begin to have doubts in yourself. So make these four kinds of faith very firm. Check that. Because you're going to rule for half the cycle in the kingdom. 21 births. And you won't be able to reach your destination without the family. And so there needs to be the love for the family. So you are victorious in this. Are you sure? Remember this V on the forehead. The V is stable on your forehead.